Hello, today we are robbing a bank, or technically opening a vault. So as you can see, we have a vault contract with two storage variables. Boolean that says whether the vault is locked. It's publicly available, but we can see that when the contract is deployed, it's set to true, so it's locked by default. And in the deployment parameter, we have password, which we'll have to find. But we can see that the password is not public, it's private. But if you work on the smart contracts, you should know that those variables are not really private, and it's very easy to find them using Web3 library. And last thing we have is the unlock function, where we pass the cracked password and we unlock the smart contract. So now let's move to the practical part.
Okay, so the practical part will be as that. So we want to get to the storage because the private information about the password is inside of the storage. And the first argument will be the address of the instance, and the second one is the number of the variable. So we will go for the 1 because the number 0 is the boolean locked, and the first is the password, the bytes 32. So we are going for the password, and we are getting the answer here right now. So we can get that and call the function unlock with the password already given. If you're curious, you can get the password and try to translate it from the bytes to string to check how it looks. Very strong secret password, some little meme from the Ethernaut website. And go back and try to submit the instance because fine. Great, awesome. Okay, so guys, follow, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.